Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I've had some ideas about future YouTube videos, and the things I've thought about are a video regarding what makes a good photo, some lens reviews for Nikon, back button focus, using live view to fine-tune focus, composition stacking, basic edits in Lightroom, sky replacement, either Photoshop or Luminar 4, the exposure triangle, and basic composition. So I'm quite willing to make a video on any of those topics. So please can you comment in the comments below about which of those you would prefer next, and I'll try and do something to suit. Okay, over and out. Thank you.